Hey, are you looking to make some extra cash? Well, you came to the right place. In this video, I'm gonna show you 3 side hustles anyone can do. They're very easy. Let's get into it.
This is AppGrind TV. Get your grind on.
Now, before I tell you these side hustles, I need you to do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, drop a comment down below. Help this channel get to 15,000 subscribers because I'm gonna do a giveaway. Now, the first side hustle is clipping streamers. So how this works is you get in touch with a popular streamer like Kai Cenat, Aiden Ross, Neon. So you get in touch with that streamer and you're gonna ask them, can I clip your stream? Because they're paying people to clip their stream into a short and distribute it on all platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. And they're paying $50 for every 100,000 views that clip gets. And also they're paying over $100 if you get 1 million views for that clip. Now I know you're saying, really 1 million views? That's a lot of views. These streamers are very, very popular. So it shouldn't be that hard to get 1 million views, especially as a clip that goes viral. And it's very, very easy to put this clip together. You just add some captions and that's it. And plus they're gonna pay you for it anyway. So it's not like you're stealing their video. You're gonna be working with these streamers and they're gonna pay you to distribute clips of their streams all over the internet. Number 2, editing videos. Now I just talked about you can edit a little clip of a streamer just by adding captions. So you can make this a service, guys, and sell this service to people. Since there's gonna be people out there who wanna make money clipping streamers, then you can provide the editing for them. So you can go on sites like Fiverr, start up an account, and you can charge $5 to $10 to edit their shorts or their videos. Now, you're probably saying to yourself, isn't editing hard to do? No, it's not hard at all. You can go on YouTube and you can learn how to edit videos. But nowadays, they have websites you can go to where it's gonna do the editing for you. All you gotta do is just put in the clip and tell them what you want and they'll edit it for you. So it's very, very simple, guys, to make some money editing videos. You can charge $5 to $20 to edit video. And the last one, number 3, moving people trash cans. Now this is very, very new. I just learned this. So what you can do, guys, you go to a neighborhood that has a lot of homes, maybe 10 to 20 homes, and you can go, just knock on the door, ask them, can I move your trash can when it's trash day at the end of the block? Because nowadays, the trash companies or the waste companies are going to the end of the neighborhood, at the end of the blocks in these neighborhoods to pick up the trash. So people have to drag their trash down the street to that area. What you're gonna do is drag their trash down there for them, especially for, it's a lot of people out there that don't have time or don't want to move the trash can. But most of them don't have time because they're working all the time. So you can do that for them. And you can charge $2 to $4. It's very, very cheap. So what you do whenever it's trash day for that block, you go get the trash, roll it down the street, and that's it. You get paid $2 to $4. Do that every week. And if you do like 20 houses, that's what, $40. You can get paid $40 a week. I know that's not much, but you can go to another neighborhood where it's 10 to 20 houses, and you can go ask them, and that'll be another $40. So you can make up to $200 to $300 a week just doing that little side hustle. Now, I hope I brought some value to you today. Please, please hit that subscribe button. Drop a comment down below. Let me know if you like these type of videos. You want me to keep making these type of videos. And give me a like. That's going to help this video be seen by more people. Help me get to 15,000 subscribers, because I'm going to do a big, massive money giveaway. And all you have to do is just leave your comment down below. I'm going to randomly pick that comment, but you have to be a subscriber too. And that person is going to win some free money once I hit 15,000 subscribers. Peace, and get your grind on.